What do you have? Bill? Should you be playing with Dada's phone? Give it to Daddy. Give it to Dada. Hey. Give it to Daddy. Give it back. Go ahead, give it to Daddy. Give it to Daddy. Are you supposed to play with Daddy's phone? No. No. Give it to Daddy. Can you give it to Mommy? Come on. Good boy. Oh. Give it to Daddy. Boo. No, no. Give it to Daddy. 1, 2, 3. Give it to Daddy. It's Dada's phone. Look at Mommy. You're looking at what else you can get in trouble with? Say, what else can I take off that table that I'm not supposed to have? I already tried to get the tea. That didn't work. I already tried to get the phone. That didn't work. What can I do next? I can get that light on the wall.
The pictures are for you. The chocolate and the water is for me. I just didn't feel like getting up. Okay, I'm going to show you a picture of Ross, okay? And you're going to remember all